So you've been carrying those songbooks, those chord charts everywhere you go when you go to lead worship. What if I was to tell you today that there is a solution that will give you thousands of songs at your very fingertips ready to lead worship? I want to introduce you to this wonderful app which is very cost effective called Songbook Pro. So Songbook Pro is available on Android and on Apple, and I've left the links below the video here to avail yourself of that. As I said, Songbook Pro is very cost effective, and I want to just dive right into the app and show you how to use Songbook Pro. Get started with Songbook Pro. As we open up the app which I've already downloaded on the Google Play Store, you'll see that we're in the settings menu, and that's just a little icon. I'll show you how to get into that in a moment or two. But you'll see there's a general, so you can customize everything here for yourself. You can have light or dark. I have it particularly set at light. Then you have your personalization. This is just a sample of what you can do. You can make your font size bigger. You can make your chord size bigger. You can also highlight your chord as well. And I also use a Bluetooth trigger, which allows me to turn the pages as I would perform. And also what you can do with all your library of songs is you can back up your library and save it on Dropbox or on Google Drive, whatever your preferred cloud is. You can lay things out like your chord diagrams as well, and you can have it at standard tuning, or you can have various, an open D, drop D, various as well. And there's also advanced settings as well, which allows you to Chord Pro, which is another app that you can import songs from. PDF is something that I use quite regularly. You can use also text files, Word files as well. Next one is your documentation, which would lead you up to the internet as well. This just tells you about the app, but before you buy the app, you'll be encouraged to buy it. I know in the UK it's £6.99, and that's a one-off fee. But if you don't pay that, you will still get 12 songs absolutely free. Come out of our settings menu, and we have a settings of songs, sets, and settings. You can see the songs, sets, and settings. That's how you get back into that again. So we go into our songs. Now I have hundreds of songs listed here. But why this is so good for praise and worship leaders and for praise bands, let me show you. So we can go into this little plus sign here, which I'll press, and it can give you the option of create new song, import files, or search online. If you click search online, you'll be given 3 different places where you can go search immediately for the songs that you're looking for. And as you can see, what's listed is ultimateguitar.com, worshiptogether.com, and eChords. Just type this in. We'll type in something like, let's say, Amazing Grace. And there we have various styles of Amazing Grace, so many different types. You can also go into Worship Together, and all you do is just sign into your Worship Together account, and you'll see there's songs here as well on that. You can also look up in eChords, the same song, and again, everything will pop up there for you as well. So it's really easy. So how do we import these things? So let's do that again. We'll go back in to search online, and we'll look up Amazing Grace. Let's go. So there we've got Amazing Grace. Oh my goodness, so many. So if you just click on one, and all you do is simply go over to the save button. It's like a wee square disc with a little circle, and you just click that, and that will save it to Songbook Pro. So you can do that with as many songs. You can have as many songs as you wish. And as you can see, I have absolutely hundreds. So how do you set up a set list? Say you're going to be singing and leading worship and you're looking to put the songs together. So we go into Sets, which is down there in the middle. And we hit the little plus button. And we give it a title. So let's just say Worship. And press Done. And Add. So you press Done and Add, and there you have your set list. But there's nothing on it yet. So how do we get the songs on? Well, we just again simply press plus. And then you can go choose what songs you want. I'll just hit some random songs here. And just to give you some sort of an idea. And once you've got your song selected, you just hit that little tick once again. And then you basically just click the main screen and there are your songs. And to scroll across, all you do is just move your finger across to the various songs. Just like that. And that's as simple as it is. Now, another wonderful thing that you can do is that you can set the tempo. And some of the songs that you'll get off the internet when you're in your search engine, you can actually set the tempo. And there is a built-in metronome. And as you can see, I've just clicked that. That's just down below here. And if you want to, of course, change the colors, you can do that as well. So you can do some highlights and do whatever you wish with that as well. As you can see, look, just different colors. If you want to write something like worship, etc., just delete that. Simply hit the delete button. So that's just come out of that, and then you just simply come out of that little arrow here, just go back again. And as you can see, I've left a mark. But there you go. And then also, this little play button will let you play a backing track, like pads. And you'll be able to play pads behind the music as you're playing along. You can also play along to the music from Spotify or from an MP3 player as well. So that is basically how it is used. Songbook Pro. So much easier than running around looking for music scores and music books. So it's very, very simple to use. And I would highly recommend one of these Bluetooth pedals, which is very, very cheap as well. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. I hope it's showing you exactly what to do. And if this is something that you would find helpful, please do leave a comment in the comments section below the video. Thanks for watching.